Hello, this is the 8th grade worksheet, and we're just going to be going over whether this equation has a single, none, or infinite solutions. So if we actually solve this equation, 3x plus 7 is equal to 5x plus, and we distribute 6 minus 2x plus 1. 5x minus 2x is 3x. 6 plus 1 is just 7. Because the values for each side are equal, we know that this is an infinite solution, meaning that no matter what you put into the equation, it's always going to equal one another. Moving on. Practice solving equations with rational coefficients. So you have 3/4 times 2x plus 5 is equal to 14. You distribute the 3/4 to each of them. 2x. Actually, before we do that, what we can do to get rid of this fraction is we can multiply 4 on both sides, giving you 56 on here and just 3 times 2x plus 5. Distributing the values, you get 6x plus 15 is equal to 56. 6x plus 15 is equal to 56. We subtract 15 on both sides and we get 41 here and 6x here. We divide by 6 and you get 41 divided by 6 as your final answer. Moving on. We have 5 times 2x minus 1 plus x plus 17 is equal to 5x plus 6 times x plus 2. So what we first have to do is we just have to distribute the values. 10x minus 5 plus x plus 17 is equal to 5x plus 6x plus 12. 10x plus x is just 11x. 17 minus 5 is just positive 12. 6x plus 5x, 11x again, plus 12. Since the values are equal on both sides, we know that this has infinite solutions. Moving on. Representing a problem situation with a system of equations. So what we're basically going to be doing here is we're going to be reading the word problem and deriving a system of equations from it. Colleen and Jimmy have part-time jobs after school. Both have decided that they want to see how much money they can save in one semester by placing part of their earnings each week into a savings account. Colleen currently has $120 in her account and plans to save $18 each week. Jimmy currently has $64 in his savings account and plans to save $25 each week. Write an equation for Colleen and for Jimmy that represents the total amount of money in dollars in each of their savings account, which is represented by Y, in terms of the number of weeks, X, that they place money in their respective accounts. So for Colleen, the total the total amount of money in dollars that are in her savings account would be represented by Y is equal to. Now, because she already has $120, that's her initial amount. So you just need to add $120 to whatever she's gonna receive after saving $18 each week. Now, the number of weeks is determined by X, and because it's represented by X, and she's saving $18 each week, we can multiply X times 18 to figure out how much she saves in total. So if we add $18 times X, we get $18 times the total number of weeks that she's going to save. Now, you have Jimmy. In his case, he has an initial amount of $64, and he's saving $25 each week. Now, same principle applies here. Just multiply $25 to the total number of weeks to get how much he saves in total, plus the initial amount that he already has, which is right here, and this is how much they are saving each week. That's it for the first lesson for the 8th grade worksheet.